What's up, everyone? So in this video, we'll be talking about getting started as an FTC team. We'll talk about sponsorships, communication, resources, parts, all that kind of stuff.
Arguably, for new teams, this is the most important video you're going to watch. So getting started, we have sponsors. Now, any new team in FTC is going to need lots of money.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I mean, I'm not going to kid you. It's expensive to run this program. So you're going to want to look for anybody in your community, probably local tech companies, small businesses, anything that you can develop a relationship with, and then casually, formally ask for a little bit of donations to help the program. You want to look, a typical season is going to cost, for a new team.
Your first season will cost a lot of money,
Yeah.
but after that, it'll get lower.
Once you get parts and like extra spare stuff from previous seasons, it gets much cheaper. But initial season, probably like a few thousand.
Yeah. I would recommend going online and looking for a couple of grants. I know a lot of online corporations, they give money
For like young robotics and STEM programs.
Yeah.
So that's what you want to look for. Once you get the money though, you're going to want to recruit some members.
Recruiting members is important. You can look to start some teams in your school. You can start looking maybe in your neighborhood, grab a few friends and start a team.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be school-based.
I know a lot of great teams that are outside of school.
Homeschool.
Yeah, a lot of teams.
Homeschool. Yeah.
So you're going to want to look for some parts. So important parts are involved getting the expansion hubs. You're going to want probably kits. A lot of companies like Tetrix and Rev get you started with kits that give you everything you need. But then later in your FTC lifetime, you're going to want to move away from kits and towards like custom designs.
Sure. FTC is all about using your resources.
You're only limited by like what you can think of.
Exactly.
You gotta be creative.
Yeah.
So, but you're gonna need phones as well. Big component. In order to talk wirelessly, you're gonna need special phones.
So there are many parts online. You just need to look at the First Tech Challenge website, and you'll see a lot of resources on where to buy stuff.
So some important companies. You're talking like Rev, Tetrix,
Andy Mark.
Yeah. You're thinking
City.
Actobotics, something like that.
So Go Builda.
Go Builda is big.
Yeah.
Those are really important to get started. So you want to look for stuff like framework pieces. You're looking for linear slides, motors. Very important.
It's important to read the game manual as well, because you'll be seeing some restrictions.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's important.
Some very funny ones too.
It's very funny ones.
Make sure you don't bring coffee beans.
Exactly.
For some reason, I hate it. All right, moving on. We got mentors. So if you're a student watching this right now, you're going to need to pay attention because any FTC team needs lots of mentors.
Sure.
They need people that are going to lead this organization, act as the adult, supervise the team. They'll need to bring people. They'll need to organize and work with the team at meets. So it's very important to have like strong, committed mentors to help any FTC team.
FTC is a commitment. It's not like you show up one day and you go to the meet the next day. It's
For sure.
You need some dedicated mentors to guide you.
Looking at our season, how many meetings do we have a week?
I mean,
I was looking.
at least 3 a week.
At least 3. Yeah, that is over like 3-4 months.
Yeah.
So it's definitely not a small commitment.
It's time, but it's fun too. FTC is all about having fun.
Oh yeah, for sure.
The whole process is so fun to watch.
It's amazing at the end when you see what you've built and you see the people you've grown with.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
You make a lot of friends.
So, team organization. So for new teams, you can go about this different ways, but we recommend you starting with building a Discord server. Very easy. Getting everyone on it and just communicating meeting times and start learning over the summer.
Currently, we're using 3 communication sources. We use Schoology, which is provided by our school. We use Discord, which is the main robotics communication area. And we also use Teams, which is from Microsoft, so we can like have video chats and stuff like that.
Yeah. This is not, really it doesn't matter how you do it, you just gotta be consistent and you gotta do it a lot. You wanna talk with your members all the time about meeting schedules, new plans, new features on the robot. Resources. you can talk about. What do you think? Important.
There's so many online resources. YouTube. Don't be afraid to copy anything. There's no such thing as a patented design. You gotta go out there, look what's nice, look what works. Because people post videos because they want to help people. They don't want to they want to just post it for you.
Yeah. Don't be ashamed if you just straight copy somebody. The greatest robots are not built by people designing everything by their own, but by taking good parts from other people's robots.
What was that Picasso quote? It was like,
Oh shoot. And then also great online resources are Reddit and then the FTC Discord. So you can meet with experienced members and other people in the FTC community that can guide you in the process.
So that's basically a quick getting started as an FTC team video. There's going to be so many more videos in our playlist, and we look forward to you guys utilizing it. Alright?
Alright, see you.
See ya.
Gotta go hard. I ain't got time to waste. I ain't got time.